Do you want a new construction home that's in the heart of the Bay Area? What if it was also conveniently located next to major highways that gives you easy access to all of the tech companies here in Silicon Valley? And finally, how would you feel if you could walk across the street and have access to some of the best shopping centers the Bay has to offer, as well as some amazing bars and restaurants? If you checked yes to any one of those boxes, then you're going to love Plaza at Central by Pulte Homes. Hey everyone, Michaeljin here, your partner for all things Bay Area real estate, and welcome to another new construction home tour. As always, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my page and hit that little notification button so you don't miss out on content like this and other things that I put out. So today I'm going to take you to check out a beautiful Plaza at Central Plan 3 townhome built by Pulte Homes. Plaza at Central is a brand new community that's located right across the street from Santana Row. And right now, there's only a few units left as Pulte Homes is completing phase 1 of their build. Now, why is it important to get in right now? Because there are future builds coming, and so the sooner you get into a new construction community, the faster your home is building equity as the community continues to build out. So if you find yourself falling in love with this home, please make sure to reach out to me today so we can get a private showing scheduled for you as soon as possible. Are you ready to take a look? Let's go.